Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Phantom Wallet from site. If you want to disconnect your Phantom Wallet from a website like Radium or any other connected sites, follow these quick steps. First of all, tap open the Phantom application on your mobile device and then tap on your name drop down at the top left corner from the home page. Under your accounts, tap on the gear button at the top right. This will then open up settings menu, scroll down and tap on connected apps. Now you will be able to see the list of trusted apps and websites that you're connected to. Simply tap on the connected site and then at the bottom click on disconnect in order to disconnect Phantom Wallet from the site. Soon after you do that, you will be able to disconnect Phantom Wallet from your website like Radium or any other connected sites. So that is how it's quickly and easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.